Alright guys, so today's video is brought to you guys by Rich Wallet. They sent us these pretty cool wallets in the mail. I got the Forge Ember, super nice, compact. I have my ID. This thing can literally hold 12 cards, but I only got like 5. Money clip for when I have cash. And I had it for about a month now. You can see literally looks brand new still. And if it gets messed up, it does have a lifetime warranty. You just gotta send it back and get a new one. They do have a bunch of different options, like they have titanium, the forged carbon, and they also have gold plated, but the gold plated was a little too fancy for me, so I ended up just going with this one. So if you click the link below, you can actually get 50% off of these wallets by just using the link or coupon code Rotary at checkout. I actually ended up getting one for my dad because he liked mine so much that I basically had to get one. But yeah, let's get to today's video.
Guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
I'm putting way too much stress on Mike right now. Way too much stress. Thank you. This place is fucking good. You want a piece? You want a piece? We just got to Jacksonville. Mike's a little bit far behind me because he got pulled over. I forgot to record it. It was pretty funny. He didn't get a ticket. He got lucky. The guy liked the RX-3 so much he didn't get Mike a ticket. But we're just gonna meet up tomorrow. Mike's gonna go watch the mullets, and then we're gonna go head to Airbnb and go knock out because tomorrow we got a long day. Right now, Mike's setting up the tents. I'm just gonna come out here, unload the RX-3 because I don't have a burnout car. I could probably bring the car out there and show it up a little bit. I mean, who wouldn't want to see the car anyway? So just take it off the trailer, put it in display, and get motivated so I can actually start working on it to go fast. Sick. So Mike's about to go for a little test hit to make sure the boost is right. If not, he's gonna raise the boost on it real quick. I will leave it at that, but you know he's gonna turn it up, blow the shit up again. You wanna blow it up?
Yeah, it might. I gotta try to outdo you.
No pressure.
I thought you were gonna land it on the REPU. I was like, yo, is he about to land it on the REPU?
I can grind the REPU right here.
Where's your 13B at?
My 13B?
Come on, man. You gotta get with the boys.
It's in the shop. You gotta get a list together and we'll have it soon.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. That's actually when Mike is coming over. We'll start getting all the parts ordered. And then we'll be out here ripping a little rotary swap sidekick, hopefully. I'm gonna keep you out of it. We don't want to flip that one over.
You look nervous.
I'm a little nervous, but you know,
you worried about your back?
Once you're in there, it's gone.
You worried about your back?
Not today. Today we don't think about nothing.
I hear anything wrong, I'm gonna get off of it, obviously.
We're blowing it up. Let's see Frank go up now. I think Mike heard the engine and he got so pissed he literally just sent that shit straight to hell. And then Brent basically broke the axle as soon as he tipped it in and kind of did the best he could. Me, I would have let off of it because it was just a one-wheel peeler. I'm not sure if he hurt the engine. We'll see what happened.
So what happened was he started the burnout good, shooting flames, spinning tires, and then the axle snapped off on the right side.
One's bald, and then one's brand new.
So what happens is now that it had one tire fire, the engine lost load and it was running too rich. We just got to put a rear end on it now.
So I grabbed it thinking it was Kyle's, and I don't know whose it is, so I'm trying to bring it back.
Crank that shit.
I think what happened is all the oil came out and it spun a bearing.
Crank that shit.
It's blown up.
Yeah, I pulled the fuck up again.
It's got one rotor fire right now. Hey, we can test out that balancer now.
You know what? I think I know what it is. I tuned the piston machine. That's why it's lasting longer than the REPU is.
Oh yeah? So I let John down. We had a good time. We just broke the rear end. I mean,
you did what no one could do. Break the rear end on it.
yeah, I mean, I guess that's good.
Yeah.
It was a bitchin' tip in.
I thought it was gonna be a mega good run after the tip-in. I was super confident, but it just wasn't there.
You know, that was the coolest one-wheel appeal ever, right?
Yeah, at least I got to like show some smoke and give the crowd a good time and bang and pop. The flames were cool.
And you didn't crash it, so win-win.
Yeah, and I didn't crash it this time.
Yeah, now I gotta put a diff on it, and
I'm gonna put it. I'll probably get a whole rear end. I'll probably put an 8.8 in it or something that's tough.
Party's over, brother. Taking my cooler with me.
yo, get your shit together.